Replace your traditional copper phone line with the V810V Business Connect by ATEL. To enlarge the video, please click the full screen button at the bottom right. First, let's make sure you have everything you need to connect your device. Plug the supplied power adapter into a wall outlet, then connect it to the back of your device. Unplug your phone cord from the wall jack and plug it into the phone port. Then, attach the antenna to the designated ANT port. A pre-installed SIM card and batteries from Clearrate provide reliable network coverage for HD voice calls. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds until the display shows "Welcome." Once the LED screen lights up, signal bars and a 4G indicator will appear. This process may take 5 to 10 minutes. Dial *86 and follow the prompts to set up your voicemail and create a password. For additional help, please reach out to support to contact us directly.